What inspires human beings to desire constant evolution? Could it be an innate longing to unlock our true potential, explore our inner selves, and reach new heights? In the vast ocean of self-reflection, we often encounter obstacles that seem to block our path. When our journey of personal growth is interrupted, we may feel a range of emotions. Personal obstacles, often rooted in past experiences, can manifest as fear, doubt, or lack of self-esteem. These shadows not only affect our personal growth, but also extend to various areas of our life. Feeling stagnant and trapped in a repetitive cycle is a familiar experience for many. When the desire for progress seems distant and the light at the end of the tunnel appears dim, it's important to acknowledge and explore the obstacles. By unraveling these obstacles, we can discover the keys to genuine growth. These obstacles can be subtle and complex, affecting different areas of our lives. Relationships may suffer due to a lack of self-knowledge and emotional insecurities. Professional performance may be hindered by a reluctance to. Spirituality can become lost in the confusion of everyday life, leaving an inner void. Imagine a person who wants to change careers but is paralyzed by the fear of the unknown. This fear seeps into their self-image, eroding their confidence and preventing them from pursuing new opportunities. This fear of facing challenges can limit us and stifle our dreams before they even have a chance to. In a world focused on tangible achievements, we often neglect our spirituality. However, the search for meaning goes beyond material success. Spiritual transformation is a connection with something greater than ourselves. It is important to understand that personal, professional, and spiritual development are interconnected. Superficial changes may provide temporary results, but true transformation occurs when we dive deep into every aspect of our existence. Amidst the hustle and bustle of everyday life, it is easy to neglect self-care, but nourishing our body and mind is crucial for our physical and mental health. Small changes in our daily habits can have a profound impact on it. Visualization is a valuable ally in our journey towards personal and spiritual growth. This underestimated technique has the power to shape our mindset, build resilience, and guide our actions towards becoming the best version of ourselves. Visualization is not merely daydreaming, but an active participation in the co-creation of our destiny. It is a process that involves experiencing the desired reality on every level of our being. By visualizing our goals and desires, we not only define our intentions and set goals, but also cultivate the discipline needed to turn dreams into reality. The roots of visualization run deep in ancient traditions, as various cultures recognize the power of the mind in creating reality. Visualization goes beyond a simple technique. It is a practice that connects our individual minds to universal consciousness. Through visualization, we shape the inner landscape of our consciousness and the external world around us. Developing inner resilience is crucial for personal and spiritual growth. Resilience is not just about withstanding adversity, but adapting and prospering in its face. It allows us to move through the flow of life with lightness and confidence, absorbing each moment as a valuable lesson. Visualization strengthens not only the mind but also the spirit, creating harmony between our desires and the resilience we cultivate. Our journey of personal and spiritual growth requires self-discovery and introspection. By diving deep into our inner selves, we connect with our deepest desires and find the beauty of authenticity. Visualization becomes a powerful tool for cultivating a deeper relationship with our inner selves, revealing the vastness of our potential and the richness of our experiences. It is a continuous learning process where each visualization is a lesson in the power of our mind. In this journey, it is essential to remember not only to contemplate what we want to achieve, but also who we want to become. Visualization is not just for creating a new reality, but also for shaping our own growth. It challenges us to grow beyond our self-imposed limitations and reflects our deepest desires. As we navigate personal and spiritual growth, It is important to develop inner resilience and cultivate a resilient mindset. This resilience becomes a shield that protects us from life's ups and downs and enables us to thrive in a world of constant change. The obstacles we face on our quest for development are portals to self-knowledge. By understanding and overcoming these barriers, we not only unlock external barriers, but also reveal hidden treasures within ourselves. Each challenge, visualization, and moment of authenticity contributes to our own. In the practice of visualization, we find a powerful tool for shaping our destiny and awakening our true essence. It is in the stillness of our inner selves that we find profound answers. By connecting with ourselves, feeling our essence, and understanding our deepest desires, we embark on a journey of self-discovery. This journey allows us to cultivate a deeper relationship with our inner selves and uncover the magic and beauty that lies within our authenticity. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If this message resonated with you, I invite you to